Hi everyone, it's Justin from XOGO, and I'm here with some exciting news for Mac users. Now, if you're an Apple person like me, you're probably already running XOGO Manager on your iOS devices like your iPhone or iPad. What you might not know is that the iOS version of XOGO Manager also runs perfectly on all of the latest M1 equipped Mac computers. To find it, you would simply open up your App Store and do a quick search for XOGO, and then make sure that you're searching under iPhone and iPad apps in this tab here at the top. So again, even though it's an iOS application, it's going to run perfectly on M1 equipped Macs as well. What you'll do is you'll see a button here that says Get, where you can download the app, and then I'll shrink this. And if I launch the app here on my M1 Mac, you'll see that it looks exactly like the iPad/iPhone version. And if I log in, you're going to see all the same information you would see when logging in from iOS, Android, or Windows. You'll have your library content available, your playlists, and be able to control all of your players. It's worth noting that early in 2022, we are also going to be releasing a version of XOGO Player for iOS devices. And of course, just like the Manager app, that's also going to run perfectly on your M1 Mac. So we're really excited to continue bringing XOGO to more and more platforms here in the new year, and excited to see what our users do with XOGO running on their Macs.